평화로운 어느 날 한 여자가 차에 타는데 갑자기 폭발해버리는 차. 이게 대체 어떻게 된 일일까요?
Daniel Gallagher with Detective Charles Horvath, Narcotics Unit.
한편 경찰 다니엘과 찰리는 마약 거래 장소에 위장 잠입해 직접 거래를 하려 했고,
What are you talking about? She got blown up. Just settle down.
차량 폭발 사건을 듣게 된 찰리.
I'm gonna get into it for you right away. Okay?
What the fuck was that about?
Just something I'm working on to pay the bills.
It must be Charlie and Danny. Charlie, come take a look at this boat.
그때 조직 보스 드리스콜이 찰리를 데려가고
Give me a light.
갑자기 들려온 총소리에 다니엘은 똘마니를 제압하는데
What the fuck happened? He made us!
Charlie.
실수로 현장에 잠입해 있던 경찰을 죽인 다니엘. 그때 드리스콜이 찰리를 살해하고 말죠. 이 사건으로 다니엘은 감옥에 수감되고 출소한 다니엘은 자신의 친형제나 다름없는 지미를 만나죠.
I gotta tell you, Danny, I don't think Charlie was painted bent. I think he was bent.
지미는 다니엘에게 찰리는 원래부터 부패 경찰이었다며 그에게 현생을 살라고 조언하죠.
To do is you need to go out and find her.
그렇게 다니엘은 지미의 말대로 자신의 여자친구였던 케이트를 찾아오는데
Danny, I've been thinking about you.
I shouldn't have taken it out on you.
I moved on, Danny, and I wasn't.
결국 다니엘은 드리스콜의 출소 날을 기다리며 사건의 진실을 파헤치려 하죠.
Casey, this is Gallagher.
찰리와 생전 관계가 깊었던 케이시라는 남자를 찾아온 다니엘.
He was into me for a lot of money, so he helped me out with my sister.
So Charlie was tracking Pierce.
Because I was worried about my sister. That's why I called Charlie that night. It was Pierce's car, man.
케이시의 동생이 바로 인트로의 폭발 사고로 사망한 여자였죠. 그렇게 찰리는 폭발 사고로 죽은 여자의 남편 피어스부터 뒷조사하기 시작하고
Where will you go from here?
다니엘은 피어스의 직업조차 가짜라는 사실을 알게 되는데 갑자기 레베카라는 여자가 등장해 다니엘의 앞길을 막죠.
Why are you tracking Bill Pierce?
It's my business.
This is who I work for. It should scare you. Interfering with a major investigation. You need to back off.
Professional.
You pissed somebody off again.
집으로 돌아온 다니엘은 의문의 기습을 당하고
Anything else you can think of?
Nobody I can think of. They used to count for something in the city.
What are you, a cop or something? Job 18 years, 9 months, and 22. And I don't have a gold shield. Because the day you and your prick partner got caught, it stopped all promotions and an investigation into police corruption.
경찰들 사이에서 밉상으로 낙인 찍힌 다니엘. 결국 다니엘은 다시 지미의 도움을 받고자 하고
I need a favor.
This place is all fished out. It's an ongoing investigation. The materials on the forensics, that was, no, what's it all about?
Charlie was working something on a guy named Pierce, the woman who got blown up. That's why Driscoll killed her. Charlie found out what they were into.
You go after Driscoll, I can't help you, Danny.
I don't want your help.
make a life for yourself.
결국 다니엘은 아무런 소득 없이 집으로 돌아오는데 다니엘의 집엔 케이시가 있었죠.
Just checking in, wondering how it's going.
Pierce goes to a church all the way over in Seidel.
Bill Pierce, he never went to church in his life.
케이시의 말에 다니엘은 다시 성당으로 향하고
Hey, buddy.
I'm busy at the moment.
그때 다니엘을 향한 기습이 또 일어나죠.
Keep trying to kill me. It's getting annoying. It was mine. I liked it. Because I followed Bill Pierce to a church, so parachute might as well have been in China.
Not on the phone. I will meet you.
다니엘이 만나자고 한 건 바로 레베카였고
Get out.
새로운 사실을 이야기해주는 레베카.
As an analyst, transmissions between certain countries that might selling those transmissions to the Iran senior is passing them along. But we're not after Pierce. We're after who he's working with. I have been reassigned because I wouldn't do it.
Lose me?
Yes,
Why?
because I think it's wrong.
그런데 이번엔 피어스의 전달책이었던 신부가 사망했다는 소식이 들려오죠.
Overtaken by smoking heaven.
다니엘은 자신도 언제든지 죽을 수 있다는 불안감을 느끼고 다니엘을 찾아온 레베카.
Priest is gone.
I know.
Who Pierce was working with at the age, Tom Loach, his supervisor. Lena report to my superior. 10 hours later, the priest. Not out here running around unaccountably tracking down terrorists and their money sources. This goes higher than I thought. Pierce is next, and you, me after.
그렇게 두 사람은 사랑을 나누죠. 한편 끝까지 의심의 끈을 놓을 수 없었던 다니엘은 3년 전 차량 폭발 사고에 대해 더 파헤치고
That info could have been made anywhere.
Check out the initiator.
These colors here, what we're looking at, place in one place only.
Glenn. Is there any way this bomb could have been?
레베카의 거짓말을 알게 된 다니엘.
You lied about the bomb.
I needed you to walk away.
Why'd he kill her?
In his phone conversations, where he was doing it was wrong.
And Pierce, this thing public got shot.
그런데 다니엘이 찾아온 건 피어스가 아닌 톰 로치였고
Say, do we know each other?
톰 로치는 다니엘을 아예 모르는 듯한 눈치였죠.
Yeah.
I found something.
Where is it?
The terminal by the old pier.
그렇게 다니엘은 레베카를 만나러 향하는데 다니엘을 공격한 건 다름 아닌 피어스였고
Tom Loach isn't feeding you any secrets.
다니엘의 예상대로 모든 사건의 흑막은 레베카였죠. 피어스를 살해하는 레베카.
Try giving them everything I right back in my face. All I want is to walk away with all them. Tell me that we can do this.
We can go before they get here.
For who gets here?
결국 다니엘은 어쩔 수 없이 레베카를 쏴버리고 말죠. 그렇게 차량 폭발 사건의 모든 진실이 밝혀지고 이제 남은 건 드리스콜과 찰리의 죽음에 관한 진실이었죠.
Turns out Driscoll had nothing to do with that woman.
그렇게 다니엘은 지미를 만나러 오는데
It's a shame a man can't make a living selling bait. Once they get old, I'm quite sure that you picked up on that.
사실 드리스콜에게 정보를 넘긴 건 바로 지미였죠.
You remember those two hoods I told you about? He gave him a beating he wouldn't forget. Cracked his head open on the concrete, and I looked at the end of the echo. He was watching me. From that day on, Driscoll only.
Don't matter what made you bend. You're either one of them or you're one of us. You told him. You told him we were cops. I need the address, Jimmy.
그렇게 다니엘은 드리스콜의 집으로 향하는데 어째서인지 지미가 먼저 드리스콜에게 도착하죠. 그때 드리스콜의 부하를 공격하는 지미. 어쨌든 지미는 드리스콜을 처리하는 데 성공하고 지미는 다니엘을 위해 모든 악연의 연결고리를 끊어낸 것이었죠. 그리고 드러나는 지미가 건네준 주소의 정체. 지금까지 영화 벤트 마약의 도시였습니다.